Alright guys, here we are at Gadsden Shooting Center, Missouri. Now I have admittedly been here for an hour already, just trying to get my zero back to zero. I bought this rifle last year, haven't done anything with it. Put about 500 rounds through it in a class and doing a couple of videos, but largely it has sat, right? This is not my competition gun. This is my take it to classes, beat it up. It's the gun I can depend on because it's an AI and it's basically the Glock of the precision rifle world. It just always goes bang, right? And so I come out here today and I shoot for a zero just to check it at 100 yards, and I find that my zero has shifted 1.3 high and 2 full mils to the left. And all I did was clean the barrel and the brake that is underneath my suppressor. That's all I've done. Haven't touched it since, and that seems a little extreme to me. It doesn't seem normal to me. If you guys got some comments for me and tell me why you think it would do that, have at it. I'm not enough of a pro to understand why that would happen. I do expect a zero shift, you know, between putting a can on and off, which I'm running today. It was zeroed with the can on. You don't care about all those particular details. I know enough to know that that kind of a shift, at least, is significant. Finally got her zeroed, and now what we're going to do today is just stretch this thing out here at Gadsden to try to gather some dope, because I've got a class that I'm taking up in Iowa this next weekend with Frank Galli, and I don't want to be that guy that shows up with my stuff not working on the line, so that's what we're doing today. Thought I'd show you guys that, because that's not bad at all for factory ammo. Alright guys, just stopping in the middle of this video here to give you a quick pro tip, and that is believe the bullet. So it is super tempting to want to fine-tune, tweak everything once you've gathered your drop data. I just got first and second round impacts all the way out to 1,000 with this gun. They were within a tenth of distance out there, and my first thought when I came off the gun was, well, I better adjust the kestrel so that I can make that tenth go away. Don't mess with it. Believe the bullet. Trust the data. As long as you've got all your inputs correct, the outputs are going to be correct. No troubles from that point on. Just wanted to throw that out as your kind of pro tip mid-video here. an impact. I don't know if you can see that guy's on the camera or not, but impact. It's an impact at 1,000. I don't know if you guys saw that or not. Impact. Slightly off to the right, my wind picked up on me. A left to right, slightly down there. Looks like it hit over around the 3 o'clock side. But there you have it. Dope gathered to 1,000 with the AI. Out of ammo. Calling that ready for the class. Thanks for watching today, guys. Hit that subscribe button. Tune in again soon for more great videos from Precision Rifle Network.